Hi, Tony Marriott here, and welcome to my latest product, Total Mobile Pages. It's a software as a service, so web-based software for creating custom mobile landing pages. And there's no skill required, there's no design required, and there's no programming required. It's all done very, very simply from this one single interface. Now we've got a number of templates that it comes with various call to actions. So your mobile landing page can, for instance, generate a phone call or follow somebody on Twitter or like a Facebook page or a Facebook post. And of course, you can use it to find them physically using the GPS on your mobile device. Now here we have a preview of the landing page that's currently being generated, and down here we've got some landing pages that I've already generated, so I'm just going to give you some examples of what you can do with this. So this, for instance, is offering a 50% discount voucher out for some plumbing. This one's a similar one with another 50% discount for a restaurant, and this is click to find, so find them using the GPS and mapping. And this next one is a slightly different discount voucher style for a dentist. Now these are kind of what we call overlays. So under here you have an image, and over the top you can put an overlay of the discount voucher or whatever else you want to do. Again, this one is a call, so this is call at the actual telephone. Now this one is a chiropractor, and this one has a video instead of the image in there. And this one's a like us on Facebook. And again, we've got another discount voucher, slightly different style this time, and for following on Twitter. So this is some various styles and ideas of what you can actually create with this program. And of course, once those pages are created, you're able to generate QR codes. And those QR codes, of course, can be placed on any kind of printed material, so on cards and flyers, on banners, magazines, or table cards, any kind of brochures, if any advertising material at all. And of course, on your web pages or anywhere else you want, and combined with a call to action such as get your 50% discount today or visit us on Tuesday evenings for your special offer, then anyone with a smartphone can simply snap that and just get straight through to your landing page and through to your offer and wherever it is you want to send them from that landing page. And of course, you could track that. So we've got the page and the target page. So this is the actual page that you have generated, so your landing page, and you can get Google Analytics directly from that. We use the Google URL shortener system to generate the Google Analytics. So in this case, we've got 8 clicks going to that page. And similarly, we can check the target page to see what the conversions are. And here we can see we've got 5 clicks have gone through to the actual target page. Now, generating these pages is very simple. And I just want to quickly take you through an example of how we do that. I'm going to choose a template. So in this case, I'm just going to pick a click to find template. Just click select template. And this will give me a general population of the form. And of course, we can look here to see what we've got. This is the basic template here. So we can see we've got headers, we've got subheaders. We have an image in this particular case. We've then got a description of some kind. We've got our call to action button, and we've got footer with some footer text. So these images, you can load up any image by using the image loader. So I can select an image. And when that's done, it enables me to crop and chop out whatever I want from this image, and it will make sure it's all the right size and the right shape for me to fit perfectly into the template. So I just crop that and then finish, and it loads it back in. And of course I can add that to the library. And now, as you'll see, not only is it displaying in my preview, if I check here on the side, I can actually check the media library, and I can see now that I've got an image up here. In fact, I can select any of these images if I wanted from the media library. And of course, we can then get an overlay image. Let's try this discount voucher here, for instance. And we can overlay that on top of the image that we've already put there. So, of course, that way you can create anything that you kind of like. Now, but for this demo, I'm going to actually choose a video. So I'm going to get rid of these images. Just going to delete those. And we can use a hosted video just by pasting the URL into here, or we can actually pick one from a library. But I'm going to use a YouTube URL. So I'm just going to go to YouTube. I'm just going to grab this sports chiropractor. That's the basis of what we're going to build this one on. And all we need is the actual little link after the V equals, or the actual code. We don't need the whole thing at all. So it's just the code. And it says down here, just put the code in. So I'm just going to put the YouTube code in there. And now I'm going to sort everything else out as well. So I'm going to give it a page name of chiropractor. We're going to put the header in. Just going to put a free consultation. Put the subheader in, sports chiropractor. I've already selected my YouTube video. And now we want to put a description in here. So check out the video above and then find us to get your no strings first consultation 100% free. I'm just going to go over and grab an address at the moment because I want an address for the location. Now I'm just going to use the address from here because I want a local address to show you exactly how this works, or local to me. So I'm just going to post that in the location address, and I'm also just going to pop it into the description as well. Finally, in the footer, I'm just going to put down specialist sports chiropractor. And of course, I can now change any of the colors for these various header text, subheader text, headers and footer backgrounds, the hover and foreground of the button, the background, etc. So everything is changeable. You just simply click on here and select a different color if you want one. I'm not going to change anything really on this. I'm just going to let it go so you can see for demos exactly what we're doing. But it's very easy to change any colors of everything in there that you want. And all the things like the text highlighting, etc., is generated automatically. That's calculated out automatically by the program for you. So once we've done that, we just need to save all our settings. And when we're happy with what we've got in our preview, we can actually generate the page itself. So let's generate that mobile page. So this will overwrite any file of the same name. It's okay. And now that page will have been saved down here, and I'll have it off at this link so we know exactly where that mobile page is. Let's just have a look at it, and that's what it looks like in real life, as it were. That's the actual page itself that's generated. It's simulated on here into a mobile phone kind of view. And as you can see, we've got a YouTube video on there that'll play. And from here, we just need to go on and generate our QR code. So if we scroll down now, you'll see that the main URL is in here and the shortened URL is automatically being placed into the QR code generator. So we just need to update that to make sure this QR code is updated. And of course, we can right click on this and save that image off and do whatever we want with that. But let me show you exactly how that looks and works on a real phone. So I just pop up on the screen my phone so you can see exactly what's going on. I'm just using a Windows phone for this particular demo. But of course, this works with any smartphone. And I'm just going to have a look now and read the QR code. So as you can see, I'm actually looking at the screen to your left. And I'm just going to go over the QR code, hit the link on there, and you'll see it will load up the page for me. And there's the page loaded up. I can play the video. And we'll just stop that one now. And of course, I've got the click to find us, and you'll see exactly how that works now. If I just click to find us, and it'll go off and generate a map based on a GPS to the location. And there we are. And in this case, of course, it's got the instructions to get there as well. So you can use GPS to find the actual location.